Hi everyone, my name's John. Welcome to Run Run Deal. This you can access at Run Run Deals on the app. This is a really great solar light. It is for you can put it outside, you can put it anywhere actually. This has got a really nice long cord on it. The actual solar panel is really well made. You can screw it in anywhere you want the solar panel to be and tilt it however you need it towards the sun, which is really great. It attaches very simply right here. You just screw it together, like you put it like this, plug one into the other, put the cap on like that, and you're ready to go. The light itself, it's a really nice light. It's got a motion detection on it. It also has a light sensor on it, so when it gets dark out, you can have it so that as soon as the sun goes down and it's dark, it turns on if you like. Or you can just use motion where it will turn on as well. All the lights are adjustable, which is really nice. I like that. It's got a nice, and again, it's got a really great mount right here, which is adjustable. So if you want to put it on a side mount and tilt it up or down, you can do that. You can hang it from a ceiling as well. There's a screw here and a screw here, so if you want to take this off and then mount it, you can do that as well. They're both in. Very simple. We're going to come back tonight. If you notice here, this is all adjustable. This is button on the bottom will choose your mode. Right now it's on the on mode, so it's going to stay on. And then there it goes. Oh, sorry, that was the motion mode. Telling you, hey, we're working. And that's the off mode. So on tells you, hey, we're charged up. You can see the green lights right here showing that it is fully charged and ready to be used. When you do turn it off, those lights are going to go off as well. When you turn it back on, it'll show the lights. So I'll see you tonight with the remote. So here's the remote right here. And obviously the on button is the on button. Off button is the off button, right? So on, off. So you can do that if you like. Right now it's on the motion sensor. I have it on number 4. I just moved and it popped right on. I didn't even have to touch a button. So mode number 1 is, let's see here. It is oops, I'm not looking at the right page. There we go. Mode 1, stay on. It'll stay dim when it turns on for 20 seconds when motion is detected. Mode number 2, and it flashes twice. So mode 1 flashes once, mode 2 flashes twice, mode 3 times, etc. Anyway, mode 3 is a constant light that stays on when motion is detected. That's number 3. So I'll do 3 right here. 1, 2, 3. We'll get that on. Good. That'll stay at 70% brightness. And mode number 4. So there it goes, flashing 4 times. The light will come on for 20 seconds when people or other items. See there, I moved, and now it's on full brightness. Okay. And then auto mode. So I touch auto mode. And it flashes 5 times and then goes to the brightest setting. It'll stay bright all day automatically. Turn to mode 4 when the battery has 60% power left, and then cycle the next day through the whole cycle again.